out here in Caseville, or Castle City, Castle Lake. Yeah, I can't speak. Try to go slow here. A little.
I like this.
This is what's today's date, guys?
The 19th,
19th, May 19th,
18th.
18th, something like that. It's like 80 degrees out here. It's beautiful. All these people that are on this Malibu boat were on the pontoon over there, and they were sinking it. Now they're on the Malibu, dancing or whatever they're doing over there. Here's the lake.
I know, I thought of that.
Here's our flag. Some boats back here. A little rocky. I'm trying to get my balance here. They're all dancing over there. Because they're a pontoon boat. That's that one that was out here the other day. Trying to get the best video I can. Sorry, folks. A little rough out here. Wanted to get this boat over here that's going by us right now. Quite the party scene out here. Usually not this crazy out here. This is probably one of the craziest weekends I've seen out here. No sheriff yet. This is this boat right here. Try to get my flag out of the way. They're gonna sink that darn boat over there. The water's still cold out. Not that warm yet. Look at that boat. It spans out. I bet you push the button and it spans out on its own. That's a lot of money there. I don't have that kind of money. Can't show my boat because the grandkids aren't here. And they can't be on video, so I'm doing this for YouTube. So this party boat, you got way too many people on that boat. They had all those people on the pontoon and it was about ready to sink. At least that Malibu doesn't look like it's gonna sink, but yeah, people everywhere there. I'm gonna show you a little bit of people. You gotta watch out that when I don't get the grandkids on here, or this video won't be useful. Nice houses over there, huh? Whoever win the lottery will go buy one of those. It's up to God. God be the glory. Love to have a house out here. Look at these people over here. They're gonna hurt themselves. Gonna get hurt. Kids. They're all drinking too. Look at them drinking. Not good. That's crazy. Alright, like and subscribe, please.